Hello. Today we will be demonstrating the Valid8 5G Security Tester. Specifically, we will be running the AMF Security Tester. We will be demonstrating one of the tests defined in the specification 3GPP TS 33512. Specifically, the test case is TC AMF Redirection 5GS EPS test. For this test case, the AMF Security Tester will be exchanging NGAP and HTTP2 signaling messages with the AMF Device Under Test, DUT. The AMF DUT in this demo will be an AMF emulator. The purpose of this redirection test case is to verify that the AMF under test does not send a registration reject message containing an EMM cause indicating that the UE shall not use 5G communications if the NAS security is not established. What we will see is a registration reject message sent after the NAS security mode command indicating not to use 5G. So here is the application control page. Here we see all the configurations for the different 5G security testers. And here you see is the AMF default security tester configuration. If you click these gear buttons here, you can see the infrastructure config file. You expand, you can see the actual environment file where all the parameters that you can edit can be edited in this editor here. So you can change the MCC and the MNC values, for example, and other values that are shown. And here on this side, you see a description of what that parameter is. You can either save it when you edit it into the same default AMF file, or you can do a save as, which will allow you to save under a new name. All right, and down here, this is the self-test AMF security tester configuration, which is testing the tester against our AMF emulator. So for this one, I am going to click Start by clicking this play button. And you'll wait here, and we'll see what the state condition is in a bit. Now, as we see, everything's green, everything is set up, the emulator as well as the tester. To go to the test case, you will just click the composer and then type in the name of the test case. And ours is TCAMF redirection, which is right here. Listed here on the left are the test cases that you can run. We are running the redirection test case, and here you can enable your PCO by clicking this icon, which is an eye. In this case, the PCO is already enabled, and now that the PCO is enabled, we can click play and run the test case. So here is the event log. And here we can see all the messages that are being sent and checked. And as I was saying earlier, what we're trying to look for is right after the security mode command message is sent, that there's a registration reject message that is sent that indicates that the 5G communication is not going to be used. And as you can see, it's passed here. So it found the registration reject message after the security mode message that indicates no 5G communication is going to be conducted. And we see that over here in the trace as well. You can see here that there's the security mode command, and right after down here is the message that is the reject message indicating that 5G communications are not going to be used. And if you go here, let's go back to the control page of the application, you can click Journal. The journal records all the runs that you do for the test case. If you hit Live, that's the most recent one. It's a report of running the test cases. And as you can see, it records that it's a pass verdict. Over here, these buttons allow you to download a PDF version of that report. So if you click this button here, a PDF will download, which shows the exact same information that is here in the report.